Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I installed the ponytail that I created in my last upload. So just stay tuned. Right now I am just pulling the center of my locks up into the ponytail, and the outside of my locks that I have hanging down, I am going to retwist those so it can look neat. So now I'm using even edge control with a edge comb and edge brush, and right now I'm just going to start putting some edge control on those pieces that I left out, and I'm going to retwist them just so the front of my hair can look a little neater. I didn't really feel like doing the inside, so yeah, stay tuned, just keep watching. So right here I'm just getting started on my edges, and I'm just going to do a few swoops and a few little baby hairs, not too much, but something just to make it look a little bit neater, and I'm using that same edge control. So here I am adding the ponytail, and as I stated before in my last video, I will highly recommend that you add at least 4 to 5 packs. I only had 3 packs, and if your locks are thick like mine's at the end, then I would definitely recommend adding at least 4 packs or 5 packs, because it will look thin. And I did not have another pack because I only bought 3 packs from the store, so I just added another previous lock ponytail that I made in the past, just to make it look a little bit fuller. So yes, add at least 4 to 5 packs of soft locks when creating your lock ponytail. So yeah, you'll see as it gets a little bit to the end of the video that I did add another lock ponytail. It was not the same texture as this one, but it's okay because it still turned out really cute and it looked like a mixture of soft locks. I liked it, so yeah. So here I am adding mousse just to make sure those hairs lay flat and stay in place. Really, really good. Next, I'm going to add some even holding spray. Really, really good, because I like for my stuff to look neat and nice and flat. And I'm spraying a little in the back. And then I'm going to put some wrapping paper over that. And I am going to blow dry it off camera. Really, really good. You can blow dry it on cool or warm air, either or it's fine. Just make sure you do it really, really good. So here is when I add the other lock ponytail that I created in the past, of course, because I did not have another extra packs to add to this one. And I am just tying that on. And I'm going to play with it to get it to look neat and nice. And that is a number 27 as well. It's just a little bit lighter because it's a different brand, of course. But it's okay because as you guys continue to watch this video, you're going to see how it still turns out cute. So just stay tuned and keep watching. So here I am just taking a few strands from the back and I'm wrapping it around the ponytail just to make it look a little bit more neater, natural looking, you know, a little bit more cuter. And I'm taking strands from both Loc ponytails. And we just gonna play with it a little bit and make it look a little bit cuter. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of jewels to it just to spice it up a little bit, make it a little cute. I got those from my local beauty supply store, and you can add whatever you want, beads, jewels, whatever, stones, whatever. You can add whatever you like to your ponytail. I just wanted to add a little bit of jewels to it because I thought it was cute. So here is the completed look, you guys. I love how it turned out. It's so cute. Even though the colors are a little bit two-tone, I don't care. It's so cute. It has a little bit of waves to it because the color is both 27. It's a little bit off tone, but it's still so freaking cute. I love it. It's long, short, wavy at the same time, and I just love it. It looks like a goddess soft lock look. Like, it's just so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next upload. Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did.